Meet Jessica. Jessica's a financial rep who helps families and businesses realize their financial goals. She loves her job because at its core, she is helping people prepare for the future. But Jessica can't help people she hasn't met, so she spends a lot of her time on the phone scheduling appointments to expand her network. Jessica recently met Matt and Lisa Clark to help with their financial goals. Once Jessica built a relationship with the Clarks, she asked them about their financial picture. Matt and Lisa, both in their late 20s, have a 3-year-old son, Ryan. They have good jobs, and their companies provide each with a 401k, basic disability insurance, as well as small life insurance policies. The Clarks would like to save money for Ryan to attend a state school, as well as have enough money that they can retire at 65 and travel together. With these details, Jessica can start piecing the Clarks' financial puzzle together. Regrettably, this is where Jessica's job becomes unnecessarily difficult. In order to help her clients, Jessica inputs the information she gathered from her talk with the Clarks into her financial calculator. This calculator helps her get a good understanding of the family's current state. Unfortunately, it doesn't provide her with solutions for how the Clarks can get to their desired state. The financial calculator did let Jessica know that Matt and Lisa didn't have enough life insurance or disability insurance, and they weren't saving enough for Ryan's college tuition. While they were saving some money for their 401ks, it didn't look like it would be enough for them to reach their goal of retiring at 65 to travel. With this information, Jessica's next step is to figure out what the price will be for the life insurance policies and the disability insurance policies. This is done by taking the same information she put in the financial calculator and re-entering it in the life illustration software and the disability illustration software. Before Jessica meets up with the Clarks again, she'll need to have the appropriate forms ready for 2 life insurance applications, 2 disability insurance applications, 2 Roth IRAs, and 4 529 plans. To get these, Jessica will need to use 3 different systems and re-enter the same information she put into her financial calculator, relationship management software, and illustration systems. Before it's all said and done, Jessica will enter or write the same basic information, like the Clark's contact info, between 14 and 18 times. She will spend more time organizing paperwork, tracking down and filling out the correct form than she will meeting with Matt and Lisa. Should she miss a signature or have the incorrect form, it can add significant delay to the policies being issued or the accounts being opened. Once Jessica and the Clarks finish the application process, her responsibilities don't come to an end. To stay in compliance, Jessica will need to keep paper copies of her communication with Lisa and Matt. Jessica has been instructed to print each email to and from the clients and put them in a filing cabinet. For a case like the Clarks, it wouldn't be surprising if Jessica prints out 25 to 30 emails. As Jessica continues to grow her business, this leads to a new problem, which is client management. With a growing practice, Jessica will continue to need more real estate for her files. She will also need a system to organize each client and remember when to check in with them in case their goals have changed. It's been said that financial reps like Jessica who hire 1 full-time staff saw an increase in their business by 40%. It's no surprise. In order for Jessica to grow her business and help more people, she needs to spend time on the phones and meeting with families and business owners. Before hiring a staff, she would spend most of her time managing forms and paperwork to make sure everything is in good order. But what if we could provide the same increase to Jessica's business without the need to hire staff? What if we used existing technology to free Jessica's time so she can do what she loves, helping families plan for their future?